They should take all my money. Village people are chasing you. Like, guys, I don't even know what to say. Because tell me why I'm on my way to school and my car just started giving me issues. I'm literally a few minutes away from school. And my car said, yeah, today's the day I want to stress the hell out of you. Thank God that I could think fast. I called one of my friends that our kids go to the same school. Luckily, she was on her way to school, so she just stopped by and the kids joined her to school. I figured out what was wrong, so I used my own little knowledge that I've gathered over the past years of having to do things by myself. I could get myself back home. I called my mechanic and his phone was off. I think my fan is bad. Oh, the frick. I refuse to be stressed. This thing is trying to mess up with my mind, but I refuse to be stressed. I have a good day today. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Ndi. If you're seeing my face for the first time, today Lagos and adulthood has been trying and getting on my nerves a lot. Living in Lagos, Nigeria as an adult will have you thinking that your village people are chasing you, like they are literally after your life. But take it from me, they are not. Everything is happening today. As I was trying to get the dishes done, my tap just broke. I'm like, what the hell is going on? But regardless of what's happening today, I'm going to make the best out of this day. That's what I have in my head. So I'm going to have my nails done. Look at my nails. These are my natural nails, by the way. If you see, I have some broken ones. Honestly, I'm indifferent about them being broken. This is like 5-6 weeks length. I want to go back to this length and this shape because it's cute sometimes. I think I'm over the long nails era. I actually like my nails short, but my nail tech doesn't like to cut my nails. She doesn't like it at all. She goes like, people want long nails and you're cutting yours, but I really could care less. Right, so let's go get these nails done. Hello. See who came to pick me up. It's my driver for today. Hi, G. Hey. They won't keep calling me. My friend, they don't call me so fast. Hi guys, I'm back home and all I can say is I went out today, I saw and I conquered. Yes, that's the best way to put it. Today was amazing because I promised myself that nothing is going to change that. So I'm back home and I want to do some detox juice and some skincare shots. So let's do it together. For my detox juice today, I'm using cucumber, ginger. I'm also using spinach, mint leaf, lemon, and orange. For my skincare shot, I'm using carrot, turmeric, ginger, orange, and lemon. Yeah, so let's get to work. So I always use white vinegar whenever I'm washing my vegetables. So I'm just going to let this sit for a while I do the other vegetables. Guys, I forgot to add that for my detox tea, we're going to be adding apple. I'm just going to cut them in like tiny chunks so that my blender can do its job easily. Because I'm not using a juicer, so I try as much as possible to cut my fruit and vegetables in little pieces so that my blender can do its job very easily and smooth. The orange. One of the benefits for me of this detox drink is, aside from the fact that it cleanses my body, it also helps me to sleep very well. Like, I noticed that since taking this seriously, I have like a very good night's sleep, unlike before. This is the local lemon, because for some reasons, I don't know why, if it's just me, I can't seem to find the foreign lemon, the yellow looking one. Cucumber. I am done cutting all the vegetables and fruits. I have cucumber, spinach, mint, like I said, apple, lemon, orange, and ginger for this one. That is for my detox juice. For my skincare shot, I have carrot, I have turmeric, I have ginger, I have lemon and orange. Blender, just done. Next, I'm going to add water. The quantity of water you add depends on, the quantity of the fruit and vegetables that you have. I'm going to pour this in here so that it can sieve. Okay. Let's see what it's like in there. Let's get started with the skincare shot. Just put them in the blender. You add water. This is my detox drink. I stir because sometimes it settles on that so that everything can mix. I'm just going to pour in a glass and serve it in the fridge so I have it lasting before I go to bed today. Then I'll save some for tomorrow. This is my skincare shot. Ooh, look at that. My skincare shots are ready. I'm so happy. What I do is I throw them in the fridge. Then every morning I take out one shot per day. Sometimes I take two because it's nice. So yeah. Okay guys, I've had my shower. I feel like myself. I didn't get to show you guys how cute are these nails. Oh my god, like I'm so obsessed with them. My nail tech, she gets it all the time. But quickly, let's get into my night routine so I can get to bed because I'm so exhausted. So guys, for my facial wash, I use this Tiam Snail and Azaline facial cleanser. I like this facial cleanser because it doesn't make my skin feel tight after using it. It's for dry skin and super sensitive skin. I really like it for me. For my body, guys, I use this Vaseline Night Radiant Repair. If I tell you that Vaseline did a thing with this one, believe me, like I am so hooked with Vaseline brand lately. It's super lightweight. This for dry skin I don't know about other skin types, but as a dry skin girly, this is the truth. I like it, I love it, I'll always use it until I'm tired of it. My skin is in love with this oil. It's my girl. This is my girl, like my go-to girl. The best way to use this oil is on a damp skin. That means when you get out of the shower, don't clean water entirely off your body. That's if you want to clean at all. Let there be some water on your skin. Then, it's going to help lock in moisture when you use this. So guys, that's for my body, and for my face, we're going to be doing my night routine together. This rice toner from the brand I'm from, it's everything. Every time I tell myself, why didn't you start using this toner since forever? So I have to shake it before use. Pour it into a cotton pad generously. Then I'll use it to clean my entire face. After my skincare, I want to catch up on this movie, on our series You, season 5. I don't know, I have no words to say about that. And yeah, I have no words. While I wait for this to dry off on my skin, I'm going to apply my eye cream. This is my eye cream. If you guys notice, everything I use is always for dry skin or very dry skin because I have a dry skin. When I'm getting anything for my skin, no matter what anyone says, I'm never going to get something that is not for my skin type, because this girl has come a long way not to listen to her skin. This eye cream is so good. I have tried, I think, a couple of eye cream, but I would say that as of now, this is my favorite. I think my skin is dry, and we're going to go in with this sleeping mask. I know this brand has been like the talk of town, and honestly, I'll say it's not a hype. It's a collagen night wrapping mask. That's what they call it. I have used it, I think, 3 times so far. They should take all my money. This brand, this particular brand, this product, I haven't tried other products of this brand, but this one should take all my money. Tell me what. So what you do, you just apply like a thin layer all over your face, and then by tomorrow you peel it off. You will be amazed at what you see. Last but not the least is going to be this lip balm for my lips. I have dry lips, guys, so I always have to go to bed with a moisturized lip so I don't wake up with a cracked lip. That is it for my night routine for today. It's simple and easy. It's not about how much product you use in a single routine that determines the result that you get. It's all about knowing what to use, how to use it, and when to use it. That's basically what I think is most important. Let me go get my detox juice and then try to catch up on the last season of You, which I'm sure a lot of people have already seen. That series is driving me. Good night.